Justin here with Walking with J-Run. Currently very steep hill, and all of this ground underneath is loose, but man, so cool in here. All the fresh growth in here. And because of the level of moisture and shade in here, in this pine thicket, all the moss is growing very healthily. There's little burrows all over, probably from the ground squirrels. But man, holy, I literally have to crawl on all fours to get up this. Ooh, cedar. Oh, we're almost at the top. Come on. Oh. All right, we're up. That's what we just came through. Man. All right. Hope you guys enjoyed that fun little hill. Please leave a like and subscribe. And we'll keep doing more of this.